Sandra, thank God you walked in on time. Oh yeah, ask her.
Alpha, you don't even hug me now. Wow.
Hug your babe.
Alpha.
My dear, how are you there? Okay, oh yeah, answer. I got a question for you.
So, no, we were having a dialogue.
Okay.
And he say you are into buying and selling. I beg you, what do they say?
You want to know? You should say you want to know.
I want to know, please.
Oh my turn now. Debo.
Sandra. Ekpo.
But did you not tell me? I thought you said female products.
Is it not female products?
I bet you get sample for tasting.
You get girlfriend where you buy sample for?
Can't stupid up with that one. Guy, you don't disrespect me. I go slap you one day.
Oh, somebody love you too like this.
Anyways, guys, to be honest, if you want me, I tell you, actually they move. The business they move, and they make money. Oh, come on, I want to reach somewhere. Come back.
You just literally got here now.
Come back for me. I will sort you out. I go pay for all the inconvenience.
Compliance.
Support me now.
Since they promote this our auntie, you know even they stay this work again, no? Oh wow.
Like you, my love, come. You okay? Love you so much. Bye. If Oga come, just say I just step out.
You know this sweat. Only that one they all mistakenly. If you see the girl where they like me these days on my area.
Yes, sir.
Sandra, no, please sit. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I am so sorry for keeping you waiting. What were you telling me on the phone? That you're ready to pay back half of the money? In just 2 months?
Yes, sir. Business has been moving well.
Wow. Tell me something now. You see, I always get it right. Always. When I see a smart and intelligent lady, I just know.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no. I'm impressed. Look, it's as if you introduced me to this business. So. Yes, now you are cashing out. I need to cash out as well.
Oh, this one is a woman's thing.
See, Sandra, I love women thing.
Sir, just forget about this one. Trust me.
Okay. If you say so, hands up.
Sir, please, can I get the account number to make the transfer?
Oh, please. Please, I don't need your money. Come on. Yeah, I don't. Okay, look. What I was trying to do was, I just wanted to see how you spend the money. You know, if it were to be some other ladies, you give them that type of money, they just go buy hair or buy some other stuff. But now, even if you decide to buy hair with your money, you deserve it. I have no problem with it because now I see that there's sense to carry the hair.
Thank you. I don't even know what to say.
It's okay. You don't need to say anything. But you can do something for me.
What is it? Anything.
Okay. So what you do for me is simple. All right. You see that 500,000 naira you wanted to give to me?
Yes, sir.
All I want you to do is take the money and help someone with it.
Sir.
It's simple. I mean, I was able to help you in some way. So you also help another person. I mean, that's how to spread love and show love.
Thank you, sir. I do appreciate this.
It's okay. It's okay. Cool. We can do that, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool stuff. But you must let me know that business. Means I want to double my funds in 2 months.
This one is for upcoming business.
Interesting. Come in. Hey.
Hey, baby.
What is this?
How are you? A special delivery just for you.
For me?
For you.
This is good.
Thank you.
Really good.
I'm glad you like it.
Good to see you. All right, let me dig in. Woo! This is good.
I'm glad you like it.
It's really good.
So, boy or girl? Boy or girl? Which would you prefer?
I don't understand what you mean.
Well, stuff I don't really know, but I am 3 days late.
To what?
Late as in I've not seen my period.
I don't understand what you mean.
Really? Really?
I don't menstruate, so enlighten me.
I mean, I may be pregnant.
Is this why you brought...
I just brought... You know what? Never mind. Never mind.
Femo. I have fun now.
Fine, sir.
Good. You're doing well though. Is your place just fine anyhow?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, have fun now. Never come in my account snap for this place. I don't fine.
You're fine, sir. Plus, I'm magic. I make everything beautiful.
Okay. Alright, guy, remember, we guys bring 2 of those babes come do shoots for the studio. Huh? Okay, good. Now to business. Talk to me.
I already sent 750k for the pennies. Sorry, the dildo, sir.
Yeah, what do they do? You know, pennies, you know, if you talk. Fine boy like you. Yeah, calm down now. Why you shake? You're my guy now. We know be guys.
Oh, we're all guys, sir.
It's good, because another shipment they land. Another container of pennies.
How much is this batch, sir?
It's like 2 million.
Ah! 2 million.
Any problem?
No, sir. No problem.
Good. Just remember that as long as you remain a good boy, your secret is safe with me. Boys, let's move.
You are on your own. Daddy claim they have your back. When you fall, you go land for ground, then you realize it. Zig and zag is how the story's told. Pains and gains is how we know. Mysteries will yet unfold. Make sure that you don't tumble.
Fuck!
How are you, my darling?
You're back so early.
Sandra. How are you? What's wrong with you? Sandra. What's going on here?
I just came to deliver something, sir.
Deliver what? Deliver this? Is this what you are selling? This the 1 million naira business and all?
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I think I'm the one overreacting. It's fine. I mean, after all, it's in high demand, isn't it? Here's my wife patronizing you. Oh, okay. Diola,
Honey, it's not what you think.
what am I supposed to think? So you mean what I have is not enough for you?
Honey, I just wanted to spice things up.
Spice what? Oh, okay. Like thyme or curry? Huh? You're buying pennies, Diola? No, it's okay. Continue spicing things up. I can't believe this.
I'm so sorry, Ma. I didn't mean to.
It's okay. But I didn't know you know my husband.
We're just friends, Ma.
My G. K for cutlery.
Kule, nonna, big.
See, I'm not here to laugh at you or whine you. Forget that one.
So what do you want?
First off, I'm here to have some deep conversations with you. And if you're matured enough, you respect that. Okay?
Okay.
It's about Sandra.
Kule, I told you I'm not
Guy,
really...
calm down, I beg, relax. Farabale. Which one be this thing? Your body just the hot. See, nobody's a fool here. I think you're listening to me. Everybody here knows you like Sandra. But you're not going about it the right way. You're getting it all wrong. Which one be Yes now. You do things up and down. Guy, you don't even get in mind. That's the painful part about it.
Okay, so what are you trying to say?
What I am trying to say is you cannot like someone and not tell them. Have you told her before that you like her?
I tell her.
Hey, come on for there. Orientation 101 first. Not be all this play, I like you. Yeah. No. This girl is a smart, beautiful girl. Many men are chasing her. See, let me just be honest to you. Do you know Sandra has been dropping signals for you, but you're not picking them?
Oh, you just say Antwerp.
You see how they see him. Everybody they see him now. But this girl is not a fool. Okay, you think about it. You see all this sugar that is where she they carry come here. Why is she not taking them elsewhere? She's trying to get you jealous. Think.
You think so?
I know so. I know so. See, let me tell you the truth. We can go about it somehow. And I swear to God, you go win this girl. I swear you go win this girl. Just plan something very serious for her. I swear you go get her. You go thank me.
Serious as how?
Okay. You know her house, Abi?
Yes.
You don't finish. First off, get her flowers. Yeah. Food, drinks. But make sure say they drink alcohol. Because you know say alcohol, now they set the mood. But seriously, get all these things. Reach her, get chocolate. Girls, they like chocolate. By the time you reach her house, knock door. She open and see you. But you hands now. You be fine boy. You see your skin color now. She go feel you. I know which how they talk. This thing don't work for people with senior me and you. Guy, I don't tell you my own. No. You they doubt me. I don't tell you my own. If you like, no, yeah. They say you they sweat for nose. Maybe woman no go kill you, Sandra. Why I see yesterday she. Sorry.
You don't mean it. You sell what?
I swear. What am I supposed to say? Tell you what I sell?
Wait, is that what you're ashamed of telling me?
Oh, please.
Well, yeah, what's wrong with that? Look, I won't judge you, okay? I promise.
You can if you want to, but then go look for another girl afterwards.
Nah, it's not that serious.
It is that serious for me. Because obviously, I'd rather tell you this over the phone than face to face.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want, but trust me, I'll still laugh at you when I see you. But no, jokes apart, I think it's a great idea.
It is all June's fault, and after this batch, I'm never doing this again. Never.
But think about it though. Since it's quite a profitable business, I think you should hold on to it. Like I said, no judgment for me, none whatsoever.
Oh, really? Anyways, I don't know because my eyes have seen plenty things while selling this, so...
I can imagine.
Yeah, sure.
All right. See you later in the evening, right?
I'll try.
Cool. So be good and have fun at work. All right. Love you.
I love you too.
I love you. All right. Bye for now. Hey, Falahana.
Hey. What's that, Sandra?
Yeah.
Huh? How is she? Good?
Yeah, good.
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 Are you going out tonight?
Yeah. Do we have a problem?
No, not at all. Good luck.
Thanks. And as to the reason you're here?
Yes, I just wanted to let you know that the new review about the cars have been uploaded.
Great. Thanks.
Great. Hold on.
Yeah.
This girl.
Do you think this is a joke? You think this is a joke?
You honestly can't understand. Like, I've been going through a lot.
How is that my concern? If I call you, you pick up, you understand?
Yeah. So what is it this time?
I have another consignment.
I can't.
Listen to me, you will, okay?
I don't have as much money as you may think I have. But if I may ask, what is it this time?
Brick.
I can't. I can't.
2 million naira worth of brick.
2 million naira. Can't do. I have a lot of important things that I'm dealing with right now. But you're going to have to give me some time.
Okay. You see, I can be a very reasonable business partner sometimes. I'll give you some time, okay? But June, I don't want to come and start looking for you. I don't want to look for your father. Are we clear?
Clear.
So, I've been thinking, and it's obvious that there's an elephant in the room we need to talk about.
What is it?
Come on. This secret. Hey. Listen, if you're not comfortable sharing, it's totally fine.
It's not that simple.
Hey. Come on, I've told you, with me, you have nothing to worry about.
It's not that easy.
Yeah, I know. Listen, if it's in the past, then just leave it there. You know, don't worry about it.
I need to use the convenience.
Sure. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll be right back.
Who was that guy?
He's a nobody.
A nobody? A nobody that was just touching you and getting close to you like that?
A nobody that you should be bothered about. Well,
what? Don't Jola me now. Oh, damn, I should have listened to my mom, man. Marry a church girl and you have a good life. And look at me.
you don't mean that.
I mean it. I mean every damn word. Every single word of that, June, I mean it.
Well, if you must know, that's the photographer.
What photographer? Like, what does a photographer have to... Wait. That bastard.
Please, Jola.
Why are you begging me? Are you joking? Wait. Are you seeing him? Huh? Is he the one responsible for your missing period?
Jola, how? It's only you I've been seeing since we started this. Just you.
How am I meant to believe that? How? You're constantly hiding things from me. You always go off on your own accord, do what you want, and you never take my own opinion. Look. June?
Yes.
If he's the father, just tell me. Now, please.
Jola!
Don't Jola me!
I did not sleep with him.
Then what was he doing here? Why is he in your house? God damn it, say something!
I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel the